Hello, you lovely people. This is me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, I'm on a holiday, a festive holiday. And on a holiday, who really carries spices? I am here with some bare minimum spices. The recipe that immediately comes to my mind is an Afghani Chargha chicken. Should we begin? Let's begin. Well, Chargha chicken, for the uninitiated, is a Lahori recipe, also an Afghani recipe in a lot of ways. Originally and traditionally, it is steam cooked and then it is deep fried with all its beautiful spices. But today, I'm going to barbecue the chicken. Let's do that. Let's begin. The chicken is cut, gashed and ready. The spices are ready. Let's straight move into the recipe. I've taken a whole chicken, which is cleaned, washed, gashed and ready. To this, I'm going to add in vinegar. This is regular acetic acid, some salt, and allow this to stay marinated for at least 10 to 15 minutes. We're not going to waste any time. We're straight going to move on to making the marination for the Lahori Chargha. First things first, for the marination, curd, some regular vegetable oil. This is to ensure that the marination nicely clings onto the chicken. For some smoky flavor, mustard oil, chili flakes. Moving on to black pepper, freshly crushed, ginger powder. Well, usually tandoori recipes or barbecue recipes call for either garlic or garlic juice or ginger juice or paste of ginger and garlic. But in this case, I am using dried ginger powder, something different. Let's move on to red chili powder. Remember the fact that the recipe has red chili flakes and black peppercorns, both spicy, so use this with caution. Lemon juice. Ensure you collect all the seeds because you do not want surprises in the mouth. Salt as required, remembering the fact that we already added salt and vinegar while marinating the chicken. Well, this in a lot of ways is a very typical restaurant-like or dhaba-like or hotel-like technique where we are doing a first marination and a second marination. So while the chicken is resting beautifully in vinegar and salt, let's quickly mix this. Let's now take this marination and rub onto the chicken. Ensure that every gash also gets marinated. Well, if you have some time at hand, what you can do is, you can take the marinated chicken and rest it overnight, refrigerate it and just forget it till you want to put it on the barbecue. I don't have time at hand. I'm straight going to barbecue this. The chicken is marinated, ready to get barbecued. Let's do that. With this, your Lahori Chargha is done and ready. Well, this is going to take another 5-7 minutes to get cooked. Remember, the embers need to be just glowing, not scorching and firing. Remember this? Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and see what next I get in this whole festive holiday season, barbecue style, from my kitchen to yours. Bye for now.